kami mag-stay for 2 nights while in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. The green space. So may CCTV, so it's secured. And konting walk lang siya, nasa highway ka na. Ayun, tanaw natin yung highway. Okay, so ito yung hallway sa second floor. Meron silang common space. Ayan, may bangko din.
Malapit lang po doon.
Hindi lang natin to. Ito yung free water. Reception. Ito yung labas. Ito restaurant. Ayan. So, dito usually nag-breakfast. Yung parang restaurant nila dito. Ayan, may kubo din. Okay, room for 2 nights. Dito sa PP. CR. Walang hot and cold shower. Pero yung bed guys, makapal. Laki. Ayan. May veranda rin sila. May pa-bamboo. Roof nga lang yung view. Ayan, may kasama na rin palang free breakfast yung aming stay dito sa Green Space. So that's our Green Space experience. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on our next videos.